Let me tell you something real. Your whole life will change when you figure out the secret to success and money. You don't just stumble upon wealth, you earn it. And you do it by doing one thing. You become a problem solver. You don't just fix problems, you monetize them. You turn them into a business. And that's when you start making serious money. Let me break this down for you. The true essence of success, of wealth, isn't just about working hard or grinding away. It's about your ability to solve problems, real problems that people face every day. That's where the money is. You see, every dollar out there, every bit of wealth is tied to a problem that somebody solved. The bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. Think about it. What do successful people do differently? They don't run from problems, they chase them down. They look at every challenge, every obstacle, and they just don't see a headache. They see opportunity. They see a chance to create something valuable, something that people need, something that can change lives. And when you start thinking like this, when you start seeing problems as opportunities instead of setbacks, that's when everything shifts. That's when you move from being just another person out here trying to get by to becoming a force to be reckoned with, a powerhouse. Because here's the truth, wealth isn't just handed out, it's created. And the creators are the ones who solve problems. They see a need and fill it. They see a gap and they bridge it. And they don't just do it for free, they get paid and paid well. You want to become incredibly successful? Start solving problems. Look at the world around you. Find what's broken and fix it. And don't just fix it, monetize it. Turn it into something that people will pay for. That's the game changer. That's how you go from broke to ballin'. Let me hit you with this. Problem solving isn't just about being smart or having the right skills. It's about mindset. It's about seeing potential where others see problems. It's about being relentless, refusing to quit until you've cracked the code. The moment you start thinking this way, everything changes. You start seeing money in places you've never thought possible. You start realizing that every problem out there is a chance for you to step up, to create something new, something valuable, something that's going to make a difference and get paid while doing it. Stop running from problems. Start embracing them. Start seeing them for what they are. Your ticket to success, to wealth, to a life that most people only dream about. You want to change your life? Become a problem solver. Monetize it. Turn it into a business. That's how you do it. This is the path to true success. It's the path to real wealth. It's the path to becoming unstoppable. And once you start walking it, there's no turning back. Because once you become a problem solver, you've unlocked the secret to success. And you've unlocked the secret to wealth. And that's how you change your life. What do you think these big corporations are? What do you think they do? They're not just in the business of selling you something, they're in the business of solving your problems. Everything you buy into, everything you spend your money on is you paying for a solution to your problem. A new phone, your problem solved. A new house, your problem solved. A new outfit, your problem solved. A nice dinner, your problem solved. Gasoline or a battery charge for your car, your problem solved. These Fortune 500 companies, these billion-dollar empires, they were built from the ground up by someone solving a problem. That's all they did. They saw a need, they filled it, and they slapped a price tag on it because it brought value to someone else. And guess what? They made money off of you by solving your problem. They are successful because they solved a lot of problems for a lot of people at the right price. So now I'll ask you, whose problem will you solve and what's your price? Because this is how you start building your empire. This is how you become successful. This is how you win in life. It's your turn to step it up and to make it happen. For more videos like this one, click on the pop-up video on your screen. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.